So I'm gonna start off this YouTube video by doing the unboxing of this hair. So this is the box that the hair came in. A pack of wig caps with 2 pieces inside, and then we get a pouch. Let me show you guys what came inside the pouch. You get an elastic band, 2 clips with it. We get some pins, a tweezer, an edge brush, 1 brush on the side with the brush on the side and the comb on the other end. The wig comes in this pouch, so if you want to throw away the box, you could just keep your wig in this bag, this cute little bag, so you could take it on the go. I don't know, like, so this is the wig. All right, so this wig is a bang wig. I think it's their curly shag unit, and this length I believe is 12 inches. I'll probably link the picture to show you guys how the wig looks on the website so you guys could see. But now for like the inside construction. So I realized they put this in the center of the wig. I don't know why, because if they're using tracks, that means the tracks would be more visible. So like you see in this case where a part in it, you could see the tracks. So I don't know why they put this material in the center. They could have just left it with a black. So as per usual, get 2 combs on the side, 1 comb at the back, 1 comb at the center, and elastic band attached to the wig. Okay, so we get the typical adjustable straps at the back of the wig. Okay guys, I'm just looking in the viewfinder so to see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this mousse. Yeah, I ain't even gonna front with y'all. This unit is beautiful, and I don't even think it's doing it that much justice on camera as it is in person. Like, I love this wig, OMG. I have another curly bang wig, but this takes the win. I wasn't sure how I'd like this hair, but I mean it's perfect for me. Like, if like you're on the go and you want to look sexy but at the same time you don't want to do too much, this is the perfect wig. It's flattering, it's a very flattering unit, it's playful. I think it's the perfect unit for anybody. Like, seriously, this is a perfect unit. Anybody could buy this, anybody could put this on. You don't have to be experiencing wigs, you just throw this on and you're out the door. Now I remember previously, like in the beginning, when I said it's a kind of brown cloth that they had on the inside of this wig. Now looking back, I could say it's the only benefit I could see with that is like you could clearly see where the center of the unit is, so you could align it perfectly to your head. That's why I say is a benefit of that. But apart from that, I mean they could have gotten like a darker colored cloth material to put inside, because if you, I don't know, if the wind blows, I don't know, you might be able to see it standing out like I showed you guys initially. But Yeah, see, you're seeing it right here, which is what I mean. I really wish they just use normal black cloth or something like in the wig, because if you're not careful, one slip and people gonna be like, you wearing a wig, child. Now let me just get into the pros and cons of the wig. So my first pro is shipping didn't take long. My next pro is the hair is super soft. I love how soft this wig is. Another pro is it is beginner friendly. Another pro is, would I say this is big head friendly? I wouldn't say big head friendly, but it might be tight on a big head. Now let me just get into the cons of this wig. So I did experience shedding when I was using the mousse and passing my fingers through this hair. There was a lot of shedding. Another con with this wig, like I mentioned with the cloth material, I'd put that on that con for this wig. I don't think I have other con for this wig. Like overall, I'd say this wig is worth the money. Pass me them coins. And I also have a special coupon code for you guys, so you could use it. Length of the hair at the back on me, as you guys could see, hair is so nice. It doesn't look bad at the back. Wow.